Hi, this is a quick tutorial for the makeup for Carmen, Factory Women and Gypsy. First you have a moistened sponge and you add the makeup you have been provided in the bag in your dressing room. And you start by applying the highlight under the eye, on the eyelid, in a square down, up on the cheekbone, and a little bit down. You also apply the highlight on the top of your nose, up in a square in your forehead. And also on your chin. Then you apply the shadow. You just use a clean edge of the sponge. And the shadow you apply on the side of your nose up to your eyebrow. This shadow is not supposed to be very strong, but it will just make sure the highlight will be more visible. The edges you soften both down and here up by the nose. And smooth it out. And then you add highlight on your eyelid and up to the eyebrows. And then shadow again under the cheekbone and down into a very soft line that will blend into the other makeup or the foundation. And then I can see that I need a little more highlight here. Then I find another clean edge and apply the normal foundation, which is going on the places that you don't have a highlight or a shadow. And remember to blend the highlight and the shadow into this foundation. Don't forget your ears. And your neck. And when you're done, make sure the colors blend into each other perfectly. So there's not really white spots or brown shadow very visible. When you've done that, you start with the white eyeshadow you have got in your kit, and you do white in the inner lid of your eye. And just a little bit in the end bit. Then you use the mid color you got in your kit and you put that on the mid part of your lid. And a little higher up. like this. Also add a little bit underneath the eye, like this. Then you continue with the black eyeshadow you got in your kit. That you put in the outer side of your eye. And continue under the eye. And just cover up the purple or the burgundy that's under the eye. Like this. And then a new clean pencil to soften the lines outside. And then if you spill eyeshadow under your eye, just add some highlight to clean up the edge. Like this. Don't hesitate to use quite a lot of makeup for this style. And then you add eyeliner, wet eyeliner, on the eyelid, very, very close to the lash line. Preferably thin, but it's not a big problem if it's going thick. And then mascara, loads of mascara. Also under if you fancy. Like this. If you want to use lashes, you can use lashes. Then you should just apply them on the outer bit of the eyelid. Not a full lash, just outer side. If you fancy, you can use black here in the inside of your eye. This is optional. And then blusher, which you also got in your kit, pink or brownish or something similar. Remember to powder your cheeks very well first. You can have quite a lot of blusher on. And this is important because you have quite a lot of highlight, so we don't want to have like a very pale gypsy. We want her to be like fresh and healthy. And I apply the blusher so it goes evenly, most here under the cheekbones, but then also spread it out in the cheeks a little bit. And also add what's left over in the brush, under the eye and down on the chin where we have highlight. The next step is the eyebrow, which has to be quite strong. I use a brown pencil. Like that. For lips, I use a burgundy lip liner. And you also got a lipstick in your kit. One is very reddish or orangey brownie, and for third act some of you guys has got a deep violet or similar. But for the first two acts, a red one. And then for those of you who would like a beauty spot. Wherever you would like it to be. Okay, when I close my eyes it looks like this. It doesn't look any good, but it works. And if you want a little bit more white inside your eye, you can just add a little bit of highlight. Like this. And it looks perhaps better. Okay, that's what I would like to show you. For those of you who was not so sure for what to do, you will also get a makeup charge, so it should be really easy. If not, ask for help. Okay, thanks.